Today, we will discuss two questions. The first question is what is meant by circular flow of income? And the second question is distinguish between real flow and money flow. So let's start with the first question. The first question is what is meant by circular flow of income? Okay, before starting this question, you all should know that in our economy, we have four sectors. The first one is your households, the second one is your firms, the third one is your government, and the fourth one is your rest of the world. The circular flow of income basically represents the flow of money amongst all the sectors of your economy, that how the money is being circulated among all the sectors of your economy. So let's start with the definition first. The circular flow of money represents the flow of money among the different sectors of an economy. So जैसा हमने अभी डिस्कस किया था, सर्कुलर फ्लो ऑफ मनी क्या बताता है कि कैसे आपका जो मनी है आपकी इकोनॉमी के अलग अलग सेक्टर्स के बीच में, कौन कौन से सेक्टर्स, द फोर सेक्टर्स जो भी हमने डिस्कस करे, दैट इज द हाउसहोल्ड्स, द फर्म्स, द गवर्नमेंट एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, इनके बीच में किस तरह से सर्कुलेट हो रहा है. इन योर सिलेबस यू हैव ओनली टू सेक्टर मॉडल. दैट मीन्स आपको सिर्फ टू सेक्टर मॉडल पढ़ना है. द टू सेक्टर मॉडल कंप्राइजेस ऑफ द हाउसहोल्ड्स एंड द फर्म्स. टू सेक्टर मॉडल में दो ही सेक्टर आएंगे, एक आएगा आपका हाउसहोल्ड एंड द सेकंड वन इज योर फर्म्स. हाउसहोल्ड्स आर ट्रीटेड एज द ओनर्स ऑफ द फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. हाउसहोल्ड्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं, दैट दे आर द ओनर्स ऑफ द फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन व्हिच आर यूज्ड टू प्रोवाइड फैक्टर सर्विसेज टू द फर्म्स. जो क्या करते हैं, फैक्टर सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करते हैं फर्म्स को, एंड इन रिटर्न ऑफ दीज सर्विसेज व्हाट दे गेट इज देयर factor payment, and with the help of factor payment they do consumption expenditure. Whereas if we talk about the firms, they produce goods and services with the help of factor services which are being provided by the households and make factor payment to them. Okay, now let's see the definition. In two sector model, the circular flow of income depicts the flow of money between the household and firms. Household receives payment for the factor services and use that money for consumption expenditure, whereas firm produces goods and services and with the help of factor services and make factor payment to the households. Okay, that's it for this question. Now let's start with our second question, that is distinguish between real flow and money flow. So let's start with the meaning first. Students, in real flow, there is no involvement of money. सबसे पहले हमें ये याद रखना है कि रियल फ्लो के अंदर मनी का इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं होता. इट्स इन द मनी फ्लो वेयर मनी इज बीइंग इन्वॉल्व. रियल फ्लो में देयर इज ऑलवेज इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ आइदर गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. या तो गुड्स का इन्वॉल्वमेंट होगा या फिर सर्विसेज का. सो लेट्स सी द डेफिनेशन. The real flow refers to the flow of factor services from households to firms and flow of goods and services from firms to households. That means वो factor services जो households provide कर रहे हैं firms को, या फिर वो goods and services जो firm produce करके किसको sell out कर रहा है, households को. So, सिर्फ यही दो चीजें क्या होंगी, real flow में include होंगी. Whereas money flow में क्या होगा, the flow of factor payments to households by the firms and flow of consumption expenditure from households to firms. That means वो factor payment जो households को मिल रही है by the firms and वो consumption expenditure जो household कर रहा है on buying the goods and services of which are being produced by the firms. So that is all included in your money flow. If we talk about the other name, the other name for the real flow is your physical flow, and for money flow, it is nominal flow. In real flow, there is no involvement of money. We have already discussed that. And in money flow, the money is being involved. It involves exchange of money. Okay. If we talk about the magnitude of growth in process, real flow determines the magnitude of growth process in economy, whereas money flow doesn't determine the magnitude of growth process in the economy. Real flow basically क्या represent कर रहा है, the flow of goods and services. एक economy में जितनी ज़्यादा goods and services क्या होंगी, increase होंगी, उतना ज्यादा उस इकोनॉमी में क्या होगा, जीडीपी होगा. सो डेफिनेटली रियल फ्लो क्या करता है, डिटरमाइन करता है द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ग्रोथ प्रोसेस, वेयर एज मनी फ्लो वो डिटरमाइन नहीं कर पाता है. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. If you like our content, then please like this video and do subscribe to our channel. And for more content, please visit our website rnjacademy.com/economics solution. And you can share this video also on WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. And if you have any doubt, then please comment it out, or you can drop your question in the comment section. Thank you.